It's been a very rainy week. Just couldn't take my bike out. Heavy rains even for the next 2-3 days. Found clear skies in the morning today, so thought we'll venture out. So did 70 kilometers, went around Hoskote, came back via Whitefield, and then instead of going via KR Puram, entered via Old Airport Road. I don't know what, it's a public holiday today, full of traffic. In fact, for the last 5-7 kilometers my average speed was hardly 10. I had to take opposite side of the road to avoid getting stuck in very bad traffic, and it's spread all over this side of the city. So hopefully some ride will happen during the weekend. Keeping my fingers crossed for clear skies once again. What's up, people? It's raining, and me and Guru are going on a Z2 ride. And Joe and Kiran here, who I'm meeting after a long time, are going on a. Hey, Joe, are you going on a Z5 ride or a Z2 ride? Z2 ride.
I'm always on Z2.
Z2 only. But according to him, it's Z2, but according to us, it's Z5. So we are midway through the ride, Z2 ride as promised to Guru, having breakfast, Khara Bath. This is the speciality of South India. Anyone coming here should try this, and though it is not carb, but it's a good filler for the rest of the ride. Hopefully we'll take another 5 kilometers and make a U-turn. Joe and Kiran decided to join us. Guru was given the responsibility to carry out cameraman duties, as I know that he's coming back from his hibernation from cycling, so he would be the last in the train, and hence he would be the best person to capture all of us. So what we decided was we go up to the breakfast point, Vishnu Bhavan, and Joe and Kiran at the last 5 kilometers to the breakfast point, they scooted, went ahead maybe around 5-10 kilometers more, and Joe on his way back was able to even carry out his uncontrollable urge to do a Z5 ride. So, and they returned after we waited for them at the breakfast point for around 15-20 minutes or even half an hour maybe. After breakfast we all decided to head back, and that is when we were able to properly capture us in the train, as it was lot of headwinds, and we gave Joe the responsibility to pull all of us and make our life simple as well. So this has been a story of this week, guys. So hopefully next week it will be less of rains and more of riding. Peace.